Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to check out some RTX 3050 laptop deals that you get on under 80,000. So on this sale you get crazy deals on both platforms, Amazon and Flipkart. You also get some RTX 3050 laptops with starting range from 63,000 also, and goes to 1 lakh. But on this video we are covered only 60 to 80k budget range RTX 3050 laptops. So let's start. So the first laptop in our list is MSI GF63. It comes with i5 10 Gen hexa-core processor with coupled with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. So it's a entry level Max-Q RTX 3050. It's a 40 watt. It comes with 40 watt TGP, but don't go on the specification. The performance is really good because of the Max-Q RTX 3050. It gives much more better performance, and the thermal system is also good. It comes with single fan, so it's a best deal for those who want budget RTX 3050 laptop. Also the panel is also good. You get 144Hz, so no issue. 8GB RAM that expand up to 64GB, dual channel RAM supported. 512GB SSD. You also get you can expand the SSD up to 1TB, and you get extra slot for HDD also. Upgradability options you get pretty much. Weight of the laptop is also 1.86 kg. It's nice. You can carry also. The charger you get on this, I think it's 120 watt. Okay, 35 watt for 45 watt. I think it's processor, and 40 watt capable. Okay, no issue. MS Office, you not get any MS Office, so remember that. But it's excellent deal. You can also avail these offers, bank offers, so check out that. Okay, so the second laptop in our list is Asus TUF-F15. It comes with Intel Core quad core CPU. It's not a hexa-core CPU. It's i5 11300H, and the previous one is i5 10500H. It's a hexa-core and it's a quad core CPU. Second thing is RTX 3050. The TGP of this RTX 3050 is 60 watt, 75 watt, 60 watt TGP, and plus 15 watt dynamic boost. Dynamic boost it simply means whenever the intense graphic demanding work, then it boosts to 75 watt. In normal work, while not required that much graphic related power, it works on 60 watt. Okay, second thing is you get Thunderbolt port. So you can add multiple through this single port. You can add multiple ports. Also you can add eGPU, but it's subjective. Backlit chiclet style keyboard, 8GB onboard RAM है, 8GB onboard 3200 MHz है. 32 you can expand this RAM up to 32GB by okay. Additional one slot, additional you get 2 SSD slot, so you can expand up to 2TB. Okay, so second thing is, see, it's not that competitive. It's not price to performance laptop, because you are spending 70,000 on this and you get only quad core CPU. It's not for everyone. It's for only those who want good looking gaming laptop and a sturdy build. Main highlights of this laptop is Thunderbolt port, compact build, lightweight. It's not heavy. I guess 2 kg is okay for 2 kg. All upcoming next laptops are above 2 kg, so it's heavy. But this is only for those who want good looking laptop for their business purpose also, because you get Thunderbolt port. Thunderbolt port can give data speed up to 40 GB per second. So remember that also. Charge your laptop through Type-C port also. It's a Type-C port basically. So see, okay. Next laptop in our list is Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming. So see, it's not like previous one. It's a completely new laptop with a new thermal system and a new body. It's a replacement for I think Lenovo is doing replacement for their Legion series in this price range. So see, for previous one you not get this thermal system. See, you get exhaust vent through here also, and exhaust vent through right side also, both side. So it's a proper Nitro series like a thermal system, Nitro series like thermal system, separate fan modules. So heat dissipation is properly equally balanced. You not feel any heating in WASD or in all those. Heat is properly displaced on this. Heat is properly displaced through this. So see, you get latest hexa-core CPU from Ryzen. It's a Zen 3 architecture base. So the processor is based on properly 7nm nanometer, and the Intel based on 14nm. So it consumes much power, but Intel consume much power, but the Lenovo Ryzen consume less power. So okay, 4GB RTX 3050. It comes with, I think, same 75 watt, 60 watt regular TGP, and 15 watt dynamic boost. You get 512GB SSD, 8GB RAM that can expand up to 32GB. Dual slot RAM support, 3200 MHz RAM, 512GB SSD, expand to 1 TB. You also get one extra HDD slot. Keyboard is also normal, a white single backlit keyboard. It's not a funky RGB keyboard, so minimal. You can use this for your college work also. Okay. Display is also good. You get 120 Hz. Okay, wait. You get 120 Hz IPS display, 250 nits for brightness, anti-glare. Okay, 45 anti-SC, basic, common. Main thing is the most gaming laptops not get is with MS Office. See, this laptop comes with pre-installed MS Office, so it's a best thing for those who do tally work, or somehow you get my point. Okay, see the bank offers you get. Okay, 1750 for ICICI, 5000. Okay, on above 5000 or ICICI Bank. Okay, Axis Bank also available, and I think HDFC is also available on that. Okay, see, okay, it's highly recommended for those who are searching Lenovo Legion and not get on this Lenovo Legion, or waiting for the Lenovo Legion but not get. Fourth laptop in our list is Acer Nitro 5 i5 11 Gen. It's i5 11 Gen HM's, I think it's a latest gen, i5 11400H. Okay, it's a hexa-core CPU. Don't worry, you also get a free upgrade to Windows 11 and available. I think most of all those get update for Windows 11. Check out. Okay, best highlight of this is you get proper storage system. Proper storage system means 256GB SSD, 1 TB HDD. So don't you can add, I guess, 5 to 7 games, probably 1 HDD. Okay, 1 TB HDD, 256GB for other softwares, 8GB RAM that can expand up to 32GB. Okay, RTX 3050, RTX 3050, same RTX 3050, 75 watt. It's bulky. See, it's bulky because of the thermal and cooling system. Build of the laptop is also good. And one more, first laptop in our list that comes with RGB keyboard. So those who are RGB fan, this is yours. Okay, trackpad is also good. All laptops comes with basic trackpad. All support Windows gesture smoothly, but most of time we use mouse. so not worry. Okay, every Windows 11 RTX 3050. Okay, 1 TB HDD, 256 GB. I think this laptop comes with 2 NVMe SSD slot, so you can add 2 TB SSD, 1 TB SSD and 1 TB for HDD, 3 slot for a. Okay, see this no cost EMI offer, all offers also. Okay, 11 hours in ends in 11 hours. Grab this deal before ending. Okay, after Lenovo IdeaPad, this is the best for thermals. Okay, see, it's a best deal for all those who want Acer, who are a Nitro fan. You get both Lenovo and Acer Nitro are same. Both comes with hexa-core CPUs and 3050 same TGP value. Only the difference is in storage system. If you want a ready storage system like 1 TB ready, you are conscious about the storage, you feel 512 GB is not sufficient for me, then go with Acer Nitro 5. Or if you are comfortable with 512 GB, go with Lenovo. Choice is yours. Okay, the fifth laptop in our list is Asus TUF Gaming Ryzen 7. Okay, it comes with octa-core. Okay, 8-core 16-thread. All previous laptop comes with hexa-core CPUs except one Asus TUF Dash quad-core. Comes with octa-core CPU, 8-core 16-thread. Excellent CPU for multitasking and heavy rendering work. Okay, comes with 16 GB RAM pre-install hai, 512 GB SSD, Windows 10 home, 4 GB graphics, RTX 3050. It's 75 watt same, 60 watt T regular, and if required 15 watt dynamic boost, 144 Hz screen, 17.3 inch display. It's not 17.3 inch. First, the pros is you get bigger display. It's comes with 17.3 inch display, best for gaming also, best for watching content also. बड़ा डिस्प्ले किसको पसंद नहीं यार, छोटे से तो बड़ा ही है ना. अच्छा, but cons is you cannot travel with this laptop. Okay, so the only without charger laptop is 2.6 kg. With charger I guess it goes up to 3 kg. Okay, so it's not traveling like laptop, it's not compact one, but it's best for those who want to do only gaming and those who want octa-core CPU also. Thermals on this are great. You get RGB chiclet style keyboard also. Okay, and the air vents. Okay, let me see the air vents. Let me check the air vents. Okay. Single side. Thermals are improved now. It's a 2021 model, so thermals are more than the previous generation. So don't worry about the thermals. During games it goes, I think, only up to 90 degree, sometimes 91 to 95, but quite manageable thermals because of the bigger headroom and bigger body. Okay, this is only for those who want bigger display, ready RAM for 16 GB RAM. 16 GB RAM is excellent, yeah. This is also best laptop in this price range, under 80,000. This is also best deal. Okay, but note that it's not a travel purpose laptop. Okay, now the sixth laptop in our list is Asus ROG Strix. Okay, so what's special in this laptop? First, Ryzen Ryzen octa-core CPU, Ryzen 4800H, 8 core 16 threads, best in class thermals. It's best compared to Nitro also. You can compare these thermals to Lenovo Legion series. It's best thermals, best in class. Cooling cooled by liquid metal dual ester. Okay. Second thing is NVIDIA RTX 3050. It's a high powered. So this NVIDIA RTX 3050 comes with 95 watt TGP, 80 watt regular, and 15 watt dynamic boost. So it's a much powerful RTX 3050 compared to all previous 75 watt and 40 watt TGP RTX 3050. 4 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM that can expand up to 32 GB by dual channel, 512 GB SSD. Okay, 144 Hz screen. I guess 144 Hz screen. You get all these offers. Check out these offers also. So I don't waste your time extra. These are best. I think these are my choices. These are my choices. These are one of the best RTX 3050 laptops under 80,000 and worth purchasing. So choose them according to your choice. If you ask my choice, then I will consider this one, Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming. It's trustworthy. I don't know, but I love this Lenovo IdeaPad. New Lenovo IdeaPad, not previous one, but this Lenovo IdeaPad, new one. So I end up this video and stay tuned to the channel because the next video is under 70k best laptop with best processor, octa-core processor. The next topic is for the video. So जाओ चेकआउट करो जल्दी और ले लो, और कमेंट करके बता देना कौन सा किसने चूज़ किया और आपका क्या प्रेफरेंस होगा. अगर 80k बजट होगा तो आप कौन सा चूज़ करोगे. ओके, यू कैन फॉलो मी ऑन Instagram also, where I upload videos related to designing. See ya. Okay, bye.